Welcome to day 14 of our journey together. Today we approach a profound threshold in your physical and energetic evolution. For the past 13 days, we built a foundation of supreme wealth. You anchored the frequency of absolute ownership. You declared your reality. Yet many of you still feel a subtle weight in your physical body. You feel a familiar density lingering in the background of your mind. Today, we address that density directly. We are purifying the deep cellular memory of your physical vessel. The illusion of separation is not a truth. It is simply an old conditioning. It is a biological echo left over from a time when your nervous system believed it was apart from the supreme abundance of the universe. Today you realize that separation was always a mirage. You are whole. You are complete. You hold infinite wealth within your very biology. Let us examine how this old conditioning operates within your physical form. Your nervous system is a beautiful and highly sensitive recording device. Through constant repetition and observation during your early years, your body absorbed the beliefs of the world around you. When the people in your environment operated from a deep protective reflex regarding money, your mirror neurons recorded that exact same physical holding. Your body began to associate wealth with physical preservation and physical preservation with high alert. This repetition created a rigid self-concept, a self-concept built entirely on the illusion that there is a finite amount of energy to go around. This is why you sometimes feel a sudden holding in your chest or a shallow breath when you think about financial expansion. It is not a cosmic wall keeping you from your desires. It is merely a biological protective reflex trying to keep you secure inside a familiar identity. Your cells remember the stress of previous generations. They hold the memory of times when resources appeared scarce. But you are no longer that previous version of yourself. You operate from a supreme state of mastery now. The heavy energies you carry are just expired physical codes. They take up space that belongs to your radiant fortune. To integrate your wealth completely, you must purify these old cellular memories. The nervous system requires absolute safety to release what it once used for protection. We are providing that supreme safety today. When you visit mindmodestudio.com, you will find comprehensive frameworks detailing exactly how your nervous system processes these wealth frequencies. You will discover the exact mechanics of this biological shift. But right now, in this exact moment, we will do the physical work together. We will wash the interior of your consciousness and restore your original, perfect state of absolute abundance. We will rewrite the physical memory of your cells. Listen to the sound of my voice and let the outside world fade completely into the background. I want you to find a position of absolute comfort. Settle your physical body into the surface beneath you. Let your spine align naturally and gracefully. Now, drop your shoulders. Let them sink entirely. Release the holding in your jaw. Open your hands and let your palms rest open to the sky. Take a very deep, slow breath in through your nose. Fill your chest completely with fresh life. And exhale smoothly, releasing every ounce of physical effort. You are completely secure here. Anchor this feeling of profound security deep within your chest. Bring your awareness to the center of your physical body. Notice any areas where you feel a heavy density. Do not judge these sensations. Simply observe them with supreme compassion and understanding. Imagine these areas of density as old, stagnant water resting inside your cells. This is the accumulated energy of past generations. This is the absorbed illusion of separation. It served its protective purpose once, but it is no longer required in your supreme reality. Now visualize a brilliant sphere of pure liquid gold light hovering just above your head. This light is the highly intelligent frequency of absolute wealth. It is the pure essence of the quantum field manifesting as physical light. Feel its gentle warmth radiating downward onto your skin. As you inhale, imagine this brilliant golden liquid light slowly pouring in through the top of your head. It flows down into your brain, washing over your neural pathways. It bathes your nervous system in pure, radiant peace. Feel this golden light moving down your neck and cascading over your shoulders. Wherever this light touches, the old heavy water simply dissolves. The density evaporates into pure, vibrant energy. The light continues to pour into your chest. It wraps around your heart. Feel a profound expansion in your heart center as the light fills every chamber. The old conditioning is washing away completely. You are being purified on a cellular level. The tight grip of past limitations melts under this supreme warmth. The golden light flows down your arms, into your hands, and out through your fingertips, pushing out any remaining old energy. It cascades down your spine, illuminating every single vertebra with absolute perfection. It fills your abdomen, bringing supreme comfort and ease to your entire core. The heavy illusions of the past are entirely neutralized by this brilliant frequency. Your internal organs are bathing in this absolute wealth. The frequency of completion settles deep into your physical center. The light flows down through your hips, your legs, your knees, and your feet. It anchors you firmly to the abundant earth. Every single cell in your physical body is now filled with this radiant, intelligent wealth frequency. You are a glowing vessel of absolute abundance. You are perfectly whole. Feel the temperature of your skin adjusting to this supreme state. Feel the steady, calm rhythm of your own heart. It beats in perfect unison with the infinite wealth of the universe. Rest in this perfect state of completion. Feel the physical lightness of your new body. You are completely empty of the old conditioning and completely full of supreme wealth. You hold the vibration of infinite prosperity in your bones. Your nervous system is completely relaxed and operating in perfect harmony. Your self-concept is permanently anchored in absolute ownership. You operate from a state of total financial security. Money is your natural and joyful companion. Wealth is your biological truth. You experience grand opportunities simply by existing in this perfect state of wholeness. Take a moment to truly feel the majesty of your own presence. You are the sole architect of your physical reality. You are the absolute master of your energy. As we conclude this deep somatic purification, I want you to carry this radiant lightness with you into your physical day. Remember that your body is now a pure conductor for infinite wealth. The old density is gone forever. You are a clear channel for absolute abundance. For further guidance on maintaining this supreme nervous system alignment, you can always explore the extensive resources waiting for you at mindmodstudio.com, where we dive even deeper into these somatic wealth practices. You are doing profound work. You are shifting the trajectory of your entire lineage. To anchor this frequency into your physical reality, claim it in the comments below by writing, "I hold the frequency of absolute wealth, and my reality is perfectly whole." Stay in this supreme peace.